Welcome to NanoTouch installation and training video. In this video we're going to cover installing one of our 4x9 touch points on a blade style handle. These can be vertical like this or horizontal. Usually, as I've mentioned in other videos, you want to have it to where the reading from top to bottom, the writing is written from top to bottom. And basically you just take the adhesive backing off. You want to line that up close to the edge like that, where the writing is actually just towards the edge of the product. And then you just want to slowly smooth this out. This one has a ledge on it, so I actually kind of crease that with my fingernails. And then you just want to slowly install that on there. And like as you can see, this one here is actually a little bit crooked. With this material, you can actually remove it and put it back in to straighten it out. Do the same thing again. You just want to be able to make it nice and smooth. You want to minimize having wrinkles and bubbles, that kind of thing. Same thing on the other side. You just want to press it down, conforming to the surface. This one has a little bit of a drop in the back as well, so I'll get that with my fingernails as well. And then you just want to smooth it out, and that's it.